boy. Din Din. Good boy. I don't know if you follow. Hello, sweet. Got some Din Din. Good boy. I don't know. That's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Perch. That's a clever boy. Clever boy. That's a good boy. Yeah? Boy. Yeah. Down now. Down. That's it. You're learning. Look at them beautiful wings. Aren't they beautiful? You're sweet. Yes, you are. In you go. Who's next? Come on. That's a good boy. Good boy. Yes, a good boy. Now let's see you perch. Perch. Good boy. Clever. There we go. That's it. Oh, good boy. Aren't you beautiful? Beautiful. Look at them lovely feathers. Have you come for some food? Have you? Hello. There you go. You go in your box. You go in there. You want some Din Dins? Come on then, down. Get some Din Dins. There we go. Anybody want any more? That's a good boy. You're full up now, yeah? Look at that. Good boy. Just do you want the little rest of it? Oh, you're sweet. Good boy. Good boy. Clean face too. Yeah. Good boy. That's it. Oh, yeah. Clever boy. There you go. There we go. There you go. Oh, you're a big boy. No, you haven't had your ding-dings. Where you going, silly? You caught the ding-dings, didn't you? This restaurant feeds birdies before releasing them. That's it. Gourmet food for a beautiful first-class bird. Have you had enough? You're full up, aren't you? Look at that tummy. Good boy.